What if you could create stunning visual content without ever appearing on camera? AI automation is changing the game for creators. Let's explore how artists are using it to build faceless channels that actually make money. Faceless videos eliminate the barrier to entry for shy creators and artists. Appeary for shy creators and artists. Creative direction prompts, concepts, and storytelling. This means artists can scale content production without hiring teams or showing themselves. It's perfect for designers exploring new ideas risk-free. Start with detailed prompts describing your vision. Use visuals. Layer in AI voiceovers and music. We use an AI voiceover video automation tools like Opus Clip or Synthesia stitch everything together. The entire process takes hours, not days. You control the aesthetic completely. No filming, no self-consciousness, pure creative expression at scale. Consistency matters more than production value. Post AI-generated shorts weekly showcasing different styles, techniques, and prompting secrets. Engage viewers by sharing your prompts and creative process. Build community around the art itself. Artists respond to transparency about tools and methods. Your channel becomes a creative resource, not just entertainment. That's sustainable growth. YouTube Partner Program kicks in at 1K subscribers. Diversify with digital programs, prompt libraries, Photoshop brushes, preset packs, sponsor collaborations with iTool creators, affiliate links to software you genuinely use. Preset packs creations for exclusive prompts and tutorials creators cost. The best faceless channels treat subscribers as a community, not just views. Multiple revenue streams compound your income exponentially. If you're ready to automate your creative process, smash that subscribe button and comment. What art tool are you most curious about? Let's explore this together.